Hi friends, how are you? This is Anshuman Kumar. So welcome to my YouTube channel, Salesforce Teach and Learn. Let's continue today with the new concept of flows. So from here we'll be learning about flows, different kinds of flows, how to uh, make flows according to the need or according to the task given. So let's start with the basics of the flows. So what is a flow builder? So basically, Salesforce Flow is a tool that automates complex business processes. Flow builder can be used to build code like logic without using a programming language. What it means is that for many of the processes, in Salesforce previously we used to code or the users were needed to learn code, but with the help of flows or these automation processes, it has become much easier to build those automation processes according to the requirement. So this is what Salesforce Flow does, that it basically makes the work of the admin or the user easier to make an automation without using any other programming language, right? Now, types of flows. So, what are the different types of flows? So, Salesforce mainly consists of two types of flows: screen and auto launch flows. Screen flow appears as screen and is displayed with the help of Lightning page or utility bar, while auto launch flows are flows which are triggered automatically based on parameters and logic. Apart from these, we have record triggered flows, platform event flows, schedule triggered flows, etc. Okay, so now before going to the user flow, let me show you this. As I said, that we have screen flow. Like, how does this work? That it works with the interaction of user with the system. Okay, like whenever you like you have seen that whenever you uh, log in to a Gmail from a new device, so you will be shown like here is the clear button, here's the calendar, you can do this from this calendar button, from you can send these photos, images from here, etc, etc. All the new features are directed and you have to click on OK or cancel. So that is what basically screen flow is, right? And others are record triggered flows, like launches when a record is created, updated, or deleted. This auto launch flows runs in background. Like there are various actions to do, like create record, update record, or delete a record according to the need. So a record triggered flows is triggered only when these kind of actions are done or needs to be done, right? Schedule triggered flows launches at specified time or frequency for each record. And then platform event flows launches when a platform event messages are received. So and auto launch flows, like there is no trigger, it's invoked, it can be invoked by Apex, Process REST API, etc. Okay, why do we use flow? So basically, when the logic or automation cannot be done with the help of other automation tools, then we start using flow. Example, to delete or update records, we can use the flow to do the deletion or update records, call a code, etc. So when this can be used, like previously there were process builder or workflow, etc. Uh, so why we use this? Because this has all the features of those uh, process builder and workflow, as well as some other features like delete record or using different kind of uh, formulas or conditions, etc. So these all things are given in the flow, and all the things which can be done by process builder and workflow can be done by using flows also. And of course, many more extra things. So this is being used more aggressively. Uh, For sure, those process builders will remain in the system, but they are outdated and they will not be further updated. But flows will be updated from here, like it was done in 2022, right? So those are those. So it's always you might see that there is a message popping up that you can migrate from process builder workflow to flow. So this is the reason, because those will not be updated any further, right? Now, different elements in flows. So different elements in flows are interaction, like logic, data. So in interaction, there are screen, subflow, action, etc. In logic, assignment, decision loop, etc. And now data, the create, update, get, trigger, delete, etc. So where we can see this, like screen flow, we'll click on create. So here you can see interaction, like screen, action, subflow, logic, assignment, decision loop, collection, sort, etc. And like data, create, update, record, get, record, delete, etc. Now, uh, resources in flow. So what are resources? So these are basically placeholders which represent a value that you can reference in the flow. What does this mean? So this basically means that basically in between the two, you can call resource as a way of communication between the two. Like you have seen walkie-talkies. So these are those. Like one is like there are many stages of an opportunity, right? But you cannot direct you to use those opportunities data, like a prospect, customer, or a deal done, etc., etc. So what these placeholders do whenever you create them and want to use them in a flow, so resources basically will do that. These are of different types, so I'm talking about a variable one. So variable, what it does is that it just takes the value from those, it references the values from the stage of opportunity to the flow which you have made, and you will be able to see those same values uh, in the opportunity while making, if you use the variable or the variable resource in your flow. So these are those, like they just reference, or they are the mirror image of the exact values which are used in your uh, CRM, right? In your system. So you can see this resources, like variable, constant, formula, text, template, choice, record, choice set, pick list, stage. So these are all different kinds, and we'll be further learning about what all these things are and how to use them. So yes, so this in total was the basic of flows. So from now we'll be learning more about flows, like how to use these all things, how to make a basic flow, then how to check or how to debug a flow, and how and some pretty more much more different scenarios regarding the flow. So till then, keep learning, watch different other videos if you want to learn more about Salesforce. And till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.